Super Stuffy. Recycle an old sock into a snuggly plushie. For this craft, you'll need a soft sock, some stuffing, felt, pom-poms, googly eyes, scissors, and white glue or fabric glue. Step 1. Fill the foot of the sock with stuffing. Step 2. Cut off the leg of the sock and glue or sew the end closed. Step 3. Cut felt into legs, ears, and other decorations, then glue them onto the sock. Step 4. Add googly eyes and a pom-pom nose. Let the glue dry, and then your new friend is ready for snuggles. Thanks for watching!